Okay, so no trade today. I'll show you where I could have taken a trade. First off, I'm bullish because just look how we're forming this weekly candle. We've swept that weekly low. We've tapped into this weekly bullish fair value gap on the daily. We swept this low, which was a weekly low, and we've come up immediately. In the 4 hour, we've broken structure. We have these imbalances that we're kind of filling. Same thing right here. Now we tap this imbalance, but we might come for this one. That imbalance is in equilibrium right here of this. So I wouldn't be surprised if we don't come into that right here. Could come into equilibrium right there. Nah, I was bullish going into today because of that, but we ended up moving higher before that happened and taking out this hourly low. I mean high. Friday high pretty much, and just London high. I made S&T with that, even though I had S&T right here, and then, I saw that going to the market open. But we did that. So we went up higher, and I'm like, okay, we're probably just going to push higher at this point. But we end up breaking structure right here. And I just was so bullish that, like, I just didn't want to short because I was just in my mind, I was really confident that we were going to come and get this high up here. And this one, like, it just looked like we were just going to go straight up. But this looks like we're retracing into pretty much equilibrium, or getting close to it at least. I feel like we're just kind of going to see the 4 hour kind of do its thing. Just going to come up and retrace into equilibrium, kind of move around, and then we're going to push up. It's probably what I'm going to guess we're going to do. It is Friday, so on the 1 minute, I was possibly going to take a long if we went through this imbalance, this 2 minute imbalance. If we broke through this 2 minute imbalance before 10 and then had displacement above it, I possibly would have entered. But I was just really hesitant, like on the 1 minute. We had like kind of the market structure shift right here. Didn't disrespect this imbalance though. I was really just not gonna enter that, and I was just really hesitant in the first place just because of this right here. Like, look at this candle. We swept this and displayed so low. And this also looked on the 15 minute. We came up, we swept this high. We disrespected this imbalance right here, this bullish 15 minute imbalance. We broke structure on the 15 minute. We're going lower. It just looks like we're going lower market structure wise on the 15 minute. Where I could have entered was the protected high that I've been talking about. Is we came up, we swept an internal high, retraced into a 2 minute bearish fair value gap, disrespected this 1 minute bullish fair value gap. Could have entered like right here or on this one, maybe somewhere around there. Possibly could have entered either on this one or this one, but I didn't, so just being patient. But yeah, this was like a pretty good indicator that I'm not going to be kind of bullish today to try to get bullish. Now I really just don't know what we're gonna do on the in this 10 a.m. candle because we have like we are retracing. I don't know if we've hit equilibrium yet though. We haven't hit equilibrium yet. Probably gonna want to come into this. So yeah, I don't know. But yeah, that's why I didn't enter today, long or short. Yeah, I feel like next week, depending on how we do, we could start seeing us breaking to the upside to get these highs. So yeah.